This is a question from relations and functions. Let epsilon be denoted as 0.0005 and let the relation R be a relation where x comma y belongs to R square such that modulus of x minus y is less than epsilon, and R epsilon could be interpreted as the relation approximately equal to. The relation R belong epsilon is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So first of all, what is reflexive? A relation R is said to be reflexive if for an element for every x which belongs to R, x comma x is also belongs to R. The basic concept of symmetric is for every x comma y belongs to R, then x comma y is related to R, then y comma x should also be related to R. Then transitive, it means that for every x comma y comma z belongs to R, we can say that x comma y belongs to R, y comma z belongs to R, then x comma z belongs to the relation R. If this is satisfied, then it is a transitive. Now let's see which are the properties which is satisfied by this relation. It is said that for any x that is belonging to R, for it to be reflexive, x minus y should be less than epsilon. Here we are taking x, y as x only because we are considering reflexive relation. So for any x minus x, it is less than epsilon. This is true because 0 is always less than 0.0005. So the relation is reflexive. So relation is reflexive. Then let's consider the symmetric property. For any x comma y, for any x comma y which is belonging to the relation R, which means that x modulus of x minus y is less than 0.0005. Then it is symmetric if y comma x is also belonging to R. This will be true because y minus x will also be less than 0.0005 because we are taking the modulus. So the relation is symmetric also. Let's check for transitive property. The relation is not transitive. We can simply take a counter example. Let's take x as 0, y as 0.0004 and z as 0.0009. Now if x comma y belongs to R, then we can say that 0.0004 belongs to the relation R. This is true because the difference is less than 0.0005. Then this is x comma y. Now let's consider y comma z, that is 0.0004 comma 0.0009. This difference is also 0.0005. So this is also belonging, but let's consider relation x comma z, that is 0 comma 0.0009. This means that this is not less than 0.0005. Their difference is not less than 0.005. So this relation is not transitive. It is reflexive and symmetric, but not transitive. So based on the options, we can say that it is A and B is true, which means that A and B are only true. Option A is the correct answer here.